Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sewing a mini skirt. So I've seen multiple pictures of skirts similar to this on my Pinterest. I've been wanting to make one for a while now. I mentioned making this skirt in my fall sewing plan video. And recently I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up this really nice plaid fabric. And I'm going to make the skirt from it. I'm going to be teaching you how to make this skirt using your own measurements, so you can make this skirt with me as well. I'm excited, so let's get started. When making the pattern pieces, X is going to be your waist measurement, Y is going to be your hip measurement, M is going to be the length of the bottom edge of the skirt, G is going to be the length of the skirt, and P is going to be the length from your waist to your hip. Use the following diagrams to cut out the pattern pieces to fit your size. You will also need a zipper for this project. Insert two darts on pieces D and E. These darts should be 2.5 inches wide for each one, and then whatever length is necessary so that it fits you best. Sew in the zipper between pieces D and E, making sure that you're sewing the straight side of the pattern piece. Line up piece A and C on top of piece B and sew at the side seams. Take the back skirt piece and put it on top of the front skirt piece, right sides together, then sew at the side seams. If you want to have a small slit at the bottom of the skirt, don't sew all the way down. Make sure to leave a couple inches for the slit. Hem the bottom edge of the waistband by folding it over once and then folding it over again. Take the skirt and put the waistband in, run right sides together. Pin in place and sew around the top edge. After you have sewn, flip the waistband inside out and make sure that you attach it neatly at the end of the waistband. The end of the waistband should look something like this. Hem the bottom edge of the skirt and the slit if desired. I'm very happy with the way this skirt turned out, and if you liked watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Thanks for watching, bye!